We have a switch. Okay. We have a switch on the DMZ. Now, if you're going to do this in Packet Tracer, what you can do, since you're using it in Packet Tracer, is you can put all of these different servers on here. Okay? For example, Alright. So you should be able to IP this relatively easily. Everything is going to be done with the static route. Number 3 is an access list. So you can do that a couple different ways. Let me just go ahead and IP this sucker real quick. So, int VLAN 2, this is my outside VLAN. Same as before. IP add 204.184.21.30 /30. I'll make VLAN 1 my inside address. I already have the DHCP pool set up on it. So we'll have to correct that. Side. No DHCPD address from 2.168.1.5. Okay. Now, since I took that out, I can now readdress VLAN 1. 10.0.0.1. If it does not have this switch port access VLAN 2 here, you assume that it's VLAN 1. Okay? Now I need to make another VLAN for the DMZ. And I can just simply do that by typing in interface, say VLAN 3. Add 134, 68, 123.1. 192 would be a /26. Name EMZ. What? This is why I like using GNS30.
Your savings might be safe. You might not be safe. Something vibrate too much.
Hey, let me put it on there though. This wouldn't let me put a security level on it. Alright, fine. Whatever. I did. There we go. Let me do it anyway. So then you just have to show the interfaces. There you go. That's F2. Okay. Switch port. Access VLAN. So it'll let me do it anyway. So that's the physical topology setup. Okay? So it will allow you to do it. Just remember that you are configuring VLAN interfaces instead of putting it on the actual Ethernet interfaces. 5505s are a little bit different in that regard. Alright? Your NAT setup may be a little bit different, and here's why. Take a look and see what version this thing is running. No, it's running 8.4, which is good. Which is good. So it'll be the same type of setup that you had previously in the command line for the version that you had in GNS3. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to set up network objects. Which is object. Network. Whatever you're going to name it. So let's back here. We'll name it. You name them here www or SMTP or FTP or whatever. So dub. And then you can give it its It's a host. Its IP address is 134.68.123.14. Okay, so you set up network objects based on doing that, and then you can set up NAT for that network object. Okay, for example, okay, now, looks like I goofed here. Again, you got to read the fine print. I should have set this DMZ up under this network, as I say here in number 5, everything should be physically subnetted with 192.168.0.0/26. So I got to fix that. Got ahead of myself. Okay. The host. We'll go back into the DMZ interface, which is VLAN 3. And the IP address. Okay. All squared away again. There's my host object www. Here's how simple it is to do NAT now with a host, a static host in version 8.4 command line. You go to that network object. And you have a NAT command there. And then you tell it what interface that you are going to have as its global, which it's not going to allow you to do DMZ, huh? No, because it's only DMZ. So this will be the outside. NAT outside, comma. This is where we're going to run a problem. We do any. Static. The mapped IP address. So this would be the public IP address. Which is the 134.68.123. 134.68.123.15. That's it. Okay? You do that for the other, similar setup for the other 3, and then you can set up your access list for the DMZ based on the names of the network objects. You can set up your RFC19 access list as a generic ACL and apply it to say the inside outface, the outside interface going out. RFC 1918. not gonna let me do IP, really? .0.0.0 /8. This is why I don't like packet tracer. It is so hokey. It is so hokey. That's IPv6, yeah. I should be able to do an access list. Alright. Looks like I have to make an object group for it. Object group. That's a service. Object network. RFC 18. And then subnet. Subnet. 10.0.0.0. 255.0.0.0. Subnet 172.16.0.0. 255.31. Zero. What do you mean it doesn't care? Classless. Oh, that sucks. You gotta do it for everything. 17, 18, and so on and so on and so on up to 31. .192.168.0.0. All right. IP access list, RFC 9. TCP object. I'm gonna name that. RC19. Any.
Isn't it 172 address supposed to be /12? It's like you want it as a
Yeah, I know, it wouldn't take it /12. It wouldn't take it. I tried putting it in there. It wouldn't take it. NI TCP object RFC 1918. That's your source. Any. Why is it asking to do an IPv6? This doesn't make sense. IP. Really? That's terrible.
No way to firewall IPv4.
Access list. I should have used IP access list. RFC 1918. NI.
There you go.
Yeah. Now I can do it.
So not IP.
10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0. Yeah, sure. That'll work. And I can put it on this other 2. 16. All right, you can do it. I was trying to do an IPv4 access list and IPv6 access list. That was my screw up. And then you gotta apply it. So you go into int VLAN 2. Actually, you don't even have to do that. Access dash group RFC 1918 out interface outside. I don't deal with a lot with ASA 5505 and little caveats all over the place. Fine, extended access list. You gotta clean this up real quick. Won't allow me to erase it. Okay, this is getting access list 1918 RFC 1918 extended 9 0.0. I have to say IP. I do IP access system. Yeah. They won't allow me to take that out. So you'll have to make that an extended access list. Anyway, give that a shot. I'm gonna try to work on this a little bit over the weekend myself and try to figure out the idiosyncrasies of it. Now I remember where I went with GNS3. Okay, guys. Any other questions? All right. Think I'm gonna be calling.
Are you going to open Burton's?
Who's?
Yeah. Oh, Burton's over there?
Coffee?
Oh, I was supposed to say you want to talk to that.
No, coffee.
Coffee.
Oh, I heard that you want to talk to
You want coffee.
that.